This transformation framework consists of 5 strategic phases designed to guide you through your AI journey. We begin with assess, where we understand the current state of AI and evaluate AI readiness within your organization. Then, we move to establish, setting AI goals and priorities that align with your vision for growth. Next is experiment, focusing on AI piloting and iteration, allowing you to test, learn, and refine. From there, we accelerate, scaling AI and driving adoption across the agency, embedding it into your everyday processes. And finally, adapt, future proofing both your business and your organization, ensuring you're ready as AI continues to rapidly advance. Before we dive into the framework, I want us to start with the right mindset. Too often, AI is viewed simply as a productivity tool, but to truly harness its potential, we need to think bigger. If applied strategically, AI can become more than just a productivity booster. It can be a powerful growth engine for your agency. Let's dive into phase one, assess. This is your foundation for success, where you'll take a comprehensive look at 5 key areas of your organization. First, assess your organization's AI literacy. Where does your team really stand in their understanding and capabilities of AI? Next, take a close look at leadership. Understanding your leaders' perspectives, commitment levels, and potential concerns around AI isn't just helpful, it's going to be critical for driving change. Your technology audit is equally important. Assess the tools you're using today. What AI capabilities are already built into them? Are you fully leveraging them? And do your technology partners have a clear AI roadmap? Don't forget your clients. They're essential stakeholders in this journey. What's their AI awareness level? Are they open to experiment? And do they have existing AI policies you should be aware of? Finally, consider how your roles and services will be affected by AI. Which will be most affected? In what ways? This foresight allows you to be proactive rather than reactive in your planning.